2013, Dongguan Mactron Technology Co. Limited was officially established an industrial-grade production system, start to enter the international market, keep our feet on the ground, maintain our spirit, and accumulate strength. Be full of enthusiasm for customers and partners from all over the world, ready to go global. 2016, establish a D teams and cooperate with universities. Explore European production standards. Become a laser intelligent equipment service provider trusted by customers. 2018, produced the first EU standard industrial laser equipment, widely recognized by the market. This further strengthens the direction of future development, focus on superb quality industrial laser system. The company adheres to the mission of dedicated to the customers, bring honor to staffs, and value to society, develop a team, work hard, and live happily. 2020, the world is plunged into an epidemic, and opportunities and challenges coexist. We get rid of involution and pursue excellence. Insist on the industrial laser equipment. 2021, it is this persistence that brings us more achievements in return. This year, we achieved our performance goals, demonstrated the importance of teamwork with practical actions. 2022, unprecedented in a century. Economic turmoil, we fight as a team. Completed the finalization of European standard series of high-end machines. Establish a localized distribution system in Europe, Asia and the United States. Looking for light in the darkness. 2023, it is still a year of non-stop progress. We visited customers all over the world and cooperate closely with them. In October, we ushered in a historic upgrade and change, factory relocation. A new chapter begins. In this decade, we have turned our vision into reality. We are proud to providing outstanding customer service to customers worldwide. 2024 is coming. We will remain true to our original intention and longing for a bright future to welcome the next decade.